right now we're going code to Walmart where a couple deputies are doing a high-risk stop on a stolen vehicle. So they're waiting for us to get there.
Walk back to the sound of my voice. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Stop.
I'm gonna go up, Trig.
Keep going up. Stop.
Two deputies found a stolen vehicle. They followed the stolen vehicle to the Walmart parking lot where they started a high-risk stop. And that requires multiple officers. Keep going. Walk backwards. Stop. Go to one knee. Go to the second. Okay, go cold.
Gotcha.
Any weapons in the car?
Not that I know.
How many other people are in the car?
Huh?
Are there any weapons in the car?
No, sir.
You need to answer yes or no,
No,
if you
sir.
know right now.
No.
No? How many people in the car?
3.
3? Hey, with your right hand, grab the top of your collar, your shirt. Pull your shirt up as high as you can. Now slowly turn in a circle. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Stop. Now walk backwards towards my voice. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Go to one knee. Go to second. Let go of your collar. Put your hands up in the air. So based on the severity of a stolen vehicle, multiple occupants in the vehicle, we drove code to get to them quick and assist with it. How many people in the car?
Just 3.
3?
Yeah.
Any weapons in there?
No. Why are we being pulled over?
I'll talk to you guys in a second.
Hey, keep walking back. Let's go. Keep going. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming down on your knees. You want to do a wide?
You don't know in the beginning how it was taken, if it was taken by force, what they have inside, if they all took it together and they're out joyriding, or what have they picked up and where are they going. So there's a lot of unknown, so it's a very careful procedure and thought out. What's going on, man?
Nothing. I'm actually kind of confused as to why you guys are pulling me over in the first place.
So the reason why we're pulling you over in the first place is that this vehicle is coming back stolen.
See, and I talked to my boss about that earlier, and he told me just bring it back, and we can literally call him right now, and he'll confirm that.
Okay.
I talked to him
in the
earlier this
system,
morning.
it's stolen. That's
Well,
all we're going off of right now. My concern right now is that you smell like alcohol. Very
I
bad.
drank last night.
You drank last night?
Yes, but I woke up and freaking started just.
What
leaving.
time was your last drink at?
I would say about 1 in the morning.
1 in the morning? Go ahead and begin.
1, 2,
Miss,
3,
miss,
4,
miss,
5,
miss,
6,
miss.
7, 8,
Miss.
9.
Correct.
1, 2,
Miss, miss,
3,
miss,
4,
miss,
5, 6,
miss,
7, 8, 9.
Okay, go ahead and face me. All right, man, you're still over, okay?
Am I?
134. Legal limits 08. So you'll be under arrest right now, okay, for DUI. I lateraled from a local agency about 2 years ago. The administration here backs us 100%. Like, I don't have any question when I make a decision if my admin is gonna back me up. And when I was hired here, they did way more and went way above and beyond for me to get me hired here. The community supports us. People constantly pull up and thank us for what we do. And the board of supervisors are extremely supportive as well. Hi.
Hi.
You're going pretty fast today.
Yeah, sorry, I have to pee.
Yeah, you know the speed limit?
45.
You know how fast you're going?
55.
No. Yeah, radar is 71.
I'm on my way to go pick up flooring and then go to work.
Do you have a driver's license?
No, it's got a medical hold on it right now.
So they put a hold on your license so you can't drive because of a medical reason?
Yeah.
So
But
why
I
are you
have-
driving?
I have to get to work.
You had to pick up flooring. I gave you a couple breaks. One, you're going criminal speed. 71 and 45 is way criminal. Anything over 20 miles an hour over the speed limit is criminal, okay? I gave you a civil speed and your license is suspended,
Okay.
okay? But that's also civil. So you got 2 civil tickets today.
Okay.
One for driving on suspended license and one for speed.
Okay.
I'm also not going to tow your car.
Thank you.
Okay, but I'm also going to tell you that you can't drive.
Okay.
If I find you driving again, I am going to tow your car. We get to do police work. We get to enforce laws. We get to make our own decisions, and our decisions are backed. It's bringing policing back to the way it should be. Any injuries you have?
Good.
You all right?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any injuries?
Not immediate.
You want to get checked out?
No.
Do you want to get checked out? He was going that way. You were turning left.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I was turning and up until I got here, coming in super fast.
This is going to be a citation for you today, okay?
but why am I being cited? The
So-
traffic was stopped and they were making pathway for me to go in here, so it was free.
So just by you saying that, that doesn't mean that you're allowed to turn left.
Okay.
So these people who are going north and south have the right of way.
Okay.
So he who is driving,
But he wasn't there. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
but
He was going way too
if
fast.
the cars are
ran
stopped,
away.
that's the problem when people stop, is that you really can't see all the way. People who are still driving like this guy still have the right of way. You still have to yield turning to them.
Because I was already right here when he hit me. And then the car went like that. So he had to be going really fast.
The day was great. We had some good calls, phone calls, some good traffic stops, and now we end the day and go home to the family.